Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're an owner or manager because only those roles can change primary contacts. This prevents delays. Once signed in at business, Google.com, navigate to the correct profile from your account list and open settings. Make sure your account has a verified phone or recovery email so Google can authenticate changes. This helps avoid lockouts. If you manage multiple locations, select the specific location first. Then proceed to the Contact and Access sections to prepare for the actual email update. Now you perform the core steps. Open users or info, then add the new email as an owner or manager so permissions transfer cleanly. You do this by clicking Add Users, entering the new address, and selecting the owner or manager role depending on what you need. Once invited, instruct the new email holder to accept via Google's confirmation link. This step is necessary because Google requires acceptance to complete role changes. After acceptance, double-check access levels and ownership chain before removing or downgrading the old email. Finish by removing or downgrading the old email once the new owner is confirmed. Make sure account recovery options reflect the new contact to prevent future lockouts. Verify that your business listing, hours, and attributes stayed the same. This ensures continuity for customers. If something goes wrong, such as the new user not receiving the invite or ownership not transferring, contact Google Business Profile Support or use the Request Ownership feature and gather screenshots and verification documents to speed resolution. This often resolves stuck transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.